Hey, if you wonder how we can charge your Redmi Note 13, let me quickly show you. So we've got actually a few methods, and the first one, it's actually by using this charging brick. In my case, I'm using the old charger from my Huawei P30 Pro, and it's also working with my Redmi. So as a default, you get for sure this charger in the box, but if for some reason you lost this, or I don't know, you just don't have it, you can actually use any external charging brick. It's just working with the Redmi Note 13. If you wonder about the wireless charging, it's actually not working because the back of this smartphone is made out of the plastic, so there's like no way to use the inductive chargers. And there's also the second method to charge by using the cable. So the cable can actually plug into any other device, like for example your PC, the game console, or for example the second smartphone. And this is what I'm gonna show you, but I have to find my adapter. Okay, here it is. So now, if I got the double USB-C cable, or for example use adapter, like this one, I can plug it into the second phone, and as you can see now I've got the information that my Redmi Note 13 is actually charging. It's charging from my Pixel 7 Pro. So this is it, the all charging methods for this smartphone. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.